This video is part of a series about getting started with common smart remote management tasks. In this video, we'll show you how to make persistent commands and how they work with remote management groups. Persistent commands are like other commands you run on a group. The difference is that a persistent command runs not just on all the devices in a group, but also on all the devices you add to the group later. You could, for example, create a persistent command that applies a number of settings to a device when you add it to a group, or that installs a particular package. Persistent commands are related to Smart Remote Management's group feature, so you might want to watch our video about groups if you haven't seen it already. There's a link to that video in the description below. Begin by signing in to Smart Remote Management. After you've signed in, click Commands. You see a list of all the recent and currently running commands in Remote Management. Each command has an icon in one of three colors: gray, blue, or green. You might be able to see this more easily if you sort the commands by group. A gray icon indicates a command that is running on only one device. That is, it's not running on a group of devices. The blue icon indicates a command that is running on a group. And a green icon indicates a persistent command that's running on a group. To make a group command persistent, select the command and click Actions, the three dots to the right. Select Persist, and then confirm by clicking Yes in the dialog. The command's icon changes from blue to green, and now the command will run automatically on the devices you add to the group later. If you want to remove a command's persistence, select the command, click Actions, and click Stop Persistence. Again, confirm by clicking Yes in the dialog. The command's icon changes back to blue to indicate the command is no longer persistent. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit smarttech.com. Thanks for watching.